friend just gave me this. It's like a Craftsman 1000 cc's lawnmower. And this little trailer right here that comes with it. Pretty nice. I thought it was only like 5 or 6 or 7 years old. He said he's had it for like 17 years, but it's been in his shed where he stores it, so I guess it hadn't weathered any. And I was just checking the oil. I was like, yeah. Okay, here we go. It was like all dirt in there. I don't know if he's ever changed the oil. See that? And cosmetically, it looks great. He said he hadn't started in a couple of years. It's 1000 cc's. Huh. Never seen a dipstick that dirty. He's a pretty thorough kind of guy too. Strange. Strange. Freaking kerosene or something. I don't know what it is. Weird. It does smell like turpentine. Wow. Good way to clean it up. Carburetor cleaner. See about that? Just came up with that. Strange with things put together. Aha! There you go. Air filter. Little gauge right underneath here. I'll loosen it up. On the bottom of the carburetor here. Ooh, yeah. It smells just like turpentine. Kerosene, turpentine, whatever you want to call it. Little carb cleaner I've got. In there. See what you look like. Whew. Don't look too bad, just all slimy looking. And there's the jet right there on the bottom. There's that. Syrup and molasses. Yeah. Huh. Interesting. Something like that. will. I don't know, they're like powder coated normally. So powder coat sticks a lot better. Just took the one that I usually ride.
Powder coat is something that's not easy to do?
Yeah, you can't do that. That's expensive to take it somewhere and get it done.
I didn't know that was something you could do.
Now, I'll find her another one.
Okay.
She wasn't crying about it, was she?
No.
But yeah.
But her birthday's in about 3 weeks.
Okay.
So that was an idea.
Okay. All right. That plug was pretty filthy in the mower. This flywheel was all rusted up and stuck on here almost. So I've been cleaning it off. Just see if the engine would even rotate. I can move it barely, but I've been getting the steel brush over here all along this. I'm gonna have to take the spark plug out, which I've already done. I've already cleaned the spark plug, but thing's hard to rotate. Right here. Let's see. Yep. Just put a little gas down there. Basically, the engine just broke loose. You need to charge that battery up probably overnight. Come here. Come here. Poor thing. You growling at me here. No, don't want to shake heads, Daddy. I want to shake both heads. I want to be your friend. Okay. Alright, we'll be friends. You want to be friends? I know you do. Why are you fighting with the other dog today? You don't need to be friends. Alright. I don't know what was in there. I drained it out. It was almost like kerosene, real watery. I started up and tons of smoke came pouring out. Maybe it's like a winterized thing, I don't know. But it's like, almost like water. Like I said, I started up and like tons of smoke coming out. So I changed the oil, put some 1040 in it, super tech. And Scarlett helped me over here. Right, Scarlett? Huh? Can you help me? A little bit? She said, I guess, Daddy. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. So I want to help, Daddy. I want to help, Daddy. I know. It's not smoking. Okay, y'all. I got this thing running. Well, I got to where it would drive now. It was dying. Whenever you let the clutch out, right there, or if you would put it in gear, not gear, but put it right here to engage the blade, it would die. But Figured out what it was. There was like a little switch way up in here on the clutch. Alright, right there is the little switch pointing out with the screwdriver. Right there. That you need to push down in there, and then make sure, like I said, this thing is, it kind of popped out the little black part, it kind of popped out of the gray part. So I pushed that back down in, and then pushed the whole entire thing back down in the little hole. Alrighty. That's like a switch that the clutch pedal pushes on. I don't know if you can see it up in here, probably not. Way up in there. So when you get it shoved way up like that, it hits the button, the bottom of that clutch lever, right there, right there. And then when you let out, it would die, but now when you let out, it doesn't, because that thing was popped out. It's just like a little on-off switch, or just a switch that's related to the clutch somehow. But like I said, it had pushed out and it had come somewhat disconnected from that. That was the problem. But now 1000cc rod lawnmower, and I did the backyard with it, and there's a trailer that came with it, and I'm not sure, that's the bag that came with. It's like the riding lawnmower bag for some reason. It's a giant plastic thing. It's in the back of the little trailer. A friend of mine gave it to me, and I think I'm going to keep it for a little while. Yep. And it's a pretty nice mower. And my wife wants me to go mow one of her friend's yards tonight. I may do it tomorrow. But hell, like I said, this thing is like 18 years old, but it looks like it's only a few years old. I'm gonna wax it here in a little bit, make it look even newer. Yep, 1000ccs. All right, y'all have an awesome weekend. Talk to you later.